Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the fly screen mesh. So here's a before and after, and this is the new ones. So it looks a lot cleaner. The first step is to remove the old fly screen mesh. So you need to remove the rubber spline. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just remove the old spline, give it a clean and just reuse it. The reason for that is because there's different sizes, and really you can just reuse it instead of buying a new one. So I'm just going to give the frame a clean here. So just use a wet rag and just give it a clean. I'm also going to give the rubber spline a clean as well. Now I'm just going to put the fly screen out, cut it out to roughly the size of the fly screen, then use the spline roller with the spline and just roll the edges. I'm going to use the other side to do the corners and just hold the edge of the corners and just push the roller into the spline. So this is a small size, so it's a little bit easier to do. Then at the end you'll be left with a little extra spline. Just cut it off. I'm going to use a screwdriver to just push the corners. Sometimes they stick out a little bit, so I'm just going to push it in. Now one tip that I have is when you're cutting the edge and the excess is don't do this, where you're cutting it along the edge and you have a little bit of a lip. So this is the lip, don't do this. Now this is the best way I think it needs to be cut. You're cutting it into the corner, so between the edge and the rubber spline, so you're cutting into the corner. You might be cutting a little bit of the rubber spline, but that's okay. You won't be able to see the difference anyway. And this is the final result. You see that there's no lip. Now if this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.